A crucial high-level organizational meeting of the ruling BJP was held at the State Guest House in Agartala, presided over by the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha. The intensive session drew the participation of top saffron party leaders, including central observers, the Pradesh BJP President and members of the State Cabinet, signaling major administrative and political deliberation.
The strategy session saw an array of powerful political figures sitting around the table. Aside from Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, the meeting was attended by the Pradesh BJP President, senior central leadership representatives and organizational coordinators and members of the Tripura State Cabinet. The closed-door meeting at the State Guest House is being viewed with immense significance within state political circles.
কালকে দেখলাম কমিটি মিটিং হলো হবে এবং এটা জারি থাকবে এই বিষয়গুলো নিয়ে আমাদের বিভিন্ন সাংগঠনিক বিষয় নিয়ে আলোচনা হয়েছে এবং আরও কীভাবে দলকে মজবুত করা যায় শক্তিশালী করা যায় সেই বিষয়ে
Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.